Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the migraine prophylaxis, how we can prophylax the migraine pain. Basically, I will tell you about the mnemonic, which you can remember about the three of the drugs which you can use in the migraine prophylaxis. So first of all, you have to remember the mnemonic PIT. So what stands for P? What stands for INT? So first of all, P is equal to propranolol. You can give the patient propranolol. This is basically a beta 1 and beta 2 uh, um, blocker. So you can give migraine prophylaxis this drug. The other one drug I is equal to ibuprofen. It is basically a NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. You can give it for the migraine prophylaxis. The last one is T. T is equal to topiramate. It is basically a anti-epileptic drug, but it can also be used for the migraine prophylaxis. So you can remember the mnemonic PIT for the migraine prophylaxis, and you can use three of these drugs. One thing you can remember that the drug ibuprofen is the first line treatment in the migraine prophylaxis. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.